Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I feel like playing, and what I feel like playing with most is Escape. And this time I'm going to do something kind of a little different, more like stuff I used to do. Oh, that's almost plugged up. That's not good. Come on, you can do it. That is more Anita's white metallic with some Venetian blue in it. I better leave that over there where I can figure out to fix it. This needs to go into the bucket so I can clean it out. This is my purple flash from Folk Art, color shifting. That is some amethyst from Artist Loft. And what else am I going to put in there? I'm going to get, I was going to put, well, yes, that's unusual. I was going to put some silver in there. I don't mind having that white either. I could kind of like, think it might be neat to put some more in my edge catcher, my somewhat sticky edge catcher. Right up top. Might be tempted to, whoa, excuse me. Might be tempted to put that right back in the other side too. Although I do see something in there. Well, I thought I did. Whoa. Alright, I know where that paint's coming from. I'm just going to smooth what's already over the top the rest of the way. I'm loving that silver. I've been thinking about a gray sky for a while. Kind of want to just put what I've got over here right back in, but I'm not sure how to do it other than to just try. I'm making a mess today. Okay. Let's take this out of the way and scavenge using my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Just wipe off those pretty colors right on the top. Grab anything else useful. If I spread out this side, then I have a better chance of not making a bigger mess than I've made already. But seeming as I'm in leave the bottle in my way mode and not pay enough attention about why is that happening? Okay. My turntable is not cooperating. But my sky is beautiful, so I'm just going to finish off by leaving as heavy a coat as I possibly can using my spatula, and then I'll tip one more time and hope that that'll fix my problem by allowing me to pour more of this beautiful color over to the end, and I think it's going to work. Loving that big purple cloud. I'd like it to spread out as thin as possible, because that way, when I get to the land portion, I don't have to worry about too much of it if I decide to tip. I do see some stuff, and I have a couple of pair of tweezers. I'm contemplating something with the land, sort of like just silver. This does not matter, because I will have paint to fill in with. And now I have the horizon. Beautiful sky. I'm going to remember that. The bottle thing is bugging me though. So even if you're a little clumsy like I just was, if you persevere, you got a shot. That's my story. I was sticking to it. Get my edge catcher right out of here. Thinking about green in the bottom. Thinking about a little bit of everything in the bottom. Starting with some of that silver. Just the thinnest coat to go behind, or sort of just camouflage the canvas a little bit. Sometimes while I'm doing this I discover I like things I didn't expect to discover. Like I'm going to need a little more silver. Looks like a big beach. Silver beach. The OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of, is the bomb. The blade is so nice and thin you can pick up a little tiny bit of paint and put it right down. Often you can push it right up. I'm thinking about pouring that off just because. It's heavier than everything else there. I just don't feel like waiting. So I'm going to push it along with my breath. And now if I need some more paint, I've got it. Let's let it go back the other way for a second. That way maybe it'll calm itself down on that dripping edge, which is very drippy. Okay, so I thought about it and I really like the silver. And I think I'm going to use a combination of the black cell activator and the white. And anything else that comes to hand that's silver. Ah, that's a lot of silver. Maybe a little bit of gold. Maybe not. Yeah, definitely a little bit of gold. So let's just start this party. I've got some great paint on my spatula and I can't afford to stop and mess with it. So I am going to grab my cell activator. This time, what am I going to do this time? I'm going to take some more purple. Because I can. And let's see how I feel about this. Oh, and that is... We can't use that card, but we can use the card I was supposed to use. Alright, I'm nervous. And it's actually a pretty good idea to start the black up at the horizon, where I was thinking it would be nice to have a black horizon anyway. And I like the silver and gold and the layers. And I'm going to add a little more gold up top and a little more of that purple everywhere. And I put the gold down right there. I thought I was going to put some green in, but I'm not sure about it anymore, because I really like what I'm getting already. I'm going to grab some of that amethyst because I like the way that looks up there. I think I'm going to put some cell activator out in my dish so I can stop stopping to squeeze. I definitely like that purple up there. Purple, gold, and silver. I do have to scrape off my card, I think, in order to get the full effect of the cell activator instead of changing it all the time. Oh, forgot to dip. I have little gaps, but I can always stick my finger in them. Or add a little bit of the paint that I scraped off. I like the change of texture. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's dramatic. It's not outside the realm of possibility I could still put some green in, but I'm thinking not so far. A little bit more, and I'll be close to thinking about whatever I might want to do for trees or such. I don't think I'm going to do it on this. You know what? I'm going to do the long edge. There, I should stick my finger in some stuff and show you guys. That's pretty cool. I like it. I keep forgetting I have these little tools, and they're so much fun to play with. Just back and forth, adding some layers, changing the texture a little bit, trying not to dig down the canvas. Sorry about my head. I just realized. Alright, I'll be touching up my bottom edge after, because I am pretty well done with this, although I'm really tempted to put another cloud in. Yeah, I like it better with that. If I want any more, I could probably use my skewer. That might be kind of neat. If I have a somewhat clean skewer. Alright, I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is the best way to get information about purchasing artwork. Include the file number and the hashtag with it in the hashtag shows you the file number in the title of the video. I'm having a day. It's okay. I'm still enjoying my colors. I think I want one more cloud though. Okay, I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I could definitely blow that cloud around a little bit. Alright, I heard the spit. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that I have over 2,000 videos organized by the 100, by topic and genre. And if you can't find what you're looking for by going to my YouTube channel and seeking out playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, you can always ask me because I keep those links handy. And I have a little bit of paint perfectly poised to go into my gaps happily. And I will be doing that once you're gone. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in paint. I've got some top edge to fix also, I can see now. If you would like to help support the studio's production of videos, you may find PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you use them, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes included at the very beginning of the exhibition video that I change out every month. That's on the end screens in the last 20 seconds. My link tree is the first blue link under the video. It has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my website. My email address is directly below the link tree should you have an inquiry about a purchase of an artwork or a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you wouldn't mind, I would love to have a thumbs up. If you share my videos, you help me out. If you watch them longer or when the notifications come out, or both of those in combination, it's an awesome assistance. My Amazon link is on the link tree. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that help keep my morale boosted, and thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. I love you. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to check my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida.